Are you looking for a way to capture your life on camera? Do you want to share your stories and experiences with the world? If so, you might be interested in getting a vlogging camera. Vlogging cameras can record high-quality videos and photos with just a touch of a button. They come in different sizes, models, and features to suit your style and budget. Stay tuned and find out how a vlogging camera can make your videos more engaging and fun. After testing and evaluating more than 25 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is GoPro Hero 12 Black. The latest and most powerful action camera from GoPro. It offers some unique features that make it stand out from the crowd, such as 10-bit HDR video, wireless audio support, and timecode sync. Whether you are a casual filmmaker or a professional videographer, the Hero 12 Black has something for you. One of the main attractions of the Hero 12 Black is its 10-bit HDR video mode, which captures more dynamic range and colors than the standard 8-bit mode. This means you can get more details in the shadows and highlights, and more flexibility in post-processing. You can also choose between different color profiles, such as GP log for a flat look, or SDR for a more natural look. The Hero 12 Black can record up to 5.3K 60fps, 4K 120fps, or 2.7K 240fps, giving you plenty of options for resolution and frame rate. Another unique feature of the Hero 12 Black is its wireless audio support, which allows you to connect compatible Bluetooth headphones or microphones to the camera. This can improve the sound quality and reduce the wind noise, especially when you are vlogging or recording interviews. You can also use dual-channel audio, which lets you record 2 separate audio tracks from different sources, such as a built-in mic and an external mic. The Hero 12 Black also has a timecode sync feature, which is useful for professional filmmakers who need to synchronize multiple cameras or audio devices. This feature embeds a timecode into the video file, which can be read by editing software or external devices. This can save you time and hassle when editing multi-camera footage or syncing audio. The Hero 12 Black is not without its flaws, though. It drops the GPS feature that was present in previous models, which means you can't add location data or speed overlays to your videos. It also has a mediocre battery life, which can last for about an hour of continuous recording. And it still struggles in low-light situations, where the video quality can get noisy and blurry. Overall, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is a great action camera that offers some unique features that can enhance your video production. It has a class-leading video stabilization, a versatile mounting system, and a tough, waterproof design. It is not a huge upgrade from the Hero 11 Black, but it is still the best GoPro around. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. The next one on our list is Canon EOS R6, a full-frame mirrorless camera that offers excellent performance for both stills and video. It has a 20-megapixel sensor, in-body image stabilization, dual-pixel autofocus, and 4K video recording. It is aimed at enthusiast photographers and videographers who want a versatile and reliable camera that can handle any situation. The EOS R6 uses the same dual-pixel autofocus system as the EOS R5, which can track subjects with incredible accuracy and speed. It can also recognize faces, eyes, and animals, and adjust the focus accordingly. The EOS R6 has 100% autofocus coverage and can focus in low-light conditions down to -6.5 ev. EOS R6 has a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that can compensate for up to 8 stops of camera shake. This means you can shoot handheld at slower shutter speeds and still get sharp images. The IBIS also works with any lens, including non-stabilized ones. The camera can capture 10-bit HDR photos in HEIF format, which offers better dynamic range and color than JPEG. HEIF files can also be edited in camera or converted to JPEG if needed. EOS can record 4K video at up to 60 fps, or 1080p video at up to 120 fps. The Canon EOS R6 is a superb mirrorless camera that never misses a shot. It has a lot of features that make it a great choice for stills and video enthusiasts who want a reliable and versatile camera that can do it all. However, it also has some limitations that might deter some users who need more resolution, dynamic range, or video recording time. The EOS R6 is not the hybrid king, but it is a great photographer's camera. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Our next pick, Sony A7R MarkV, is a remarkable camera that offers a world record resolution of 61.2 megapixels for a full-frame sensor. It combines this with a powerful yet easy-to-use autofocus system, 10 fps burst shooting, 4K video recording, and a pixel shift mode that can produce 24 megapixels images of static scenes. It is not just a camera for landscape photographers, but a very versatile tool that can handle a variety of genres and situations. The A7R Mark IV has some improvements over its predecessor, the A7R Mark III, in terms of body design, handling, and controls. It has a deeper grip, redesigned buttons, a higher resolution viewfinder, and dual UHS 2 card slots. It also has a more robust build quality and better weather sealing. The image quality of the A7R Mark IV is impressive, especially at lower ISOs where the detail and dynamic range are superb. The high-resolution sensor also allows for more cropping flexibility and larger prints. The noise performance is also good up to ISO 6400, and even higher with some noise reduction applied. The autofocus system of the A7R IV is one of its main strengths. It has 567 phase detection points and 325 contrast detection points that cover 74% of the image area. It also features Sony's real-time autofocus tracking, which can lock onto the eyes or faces of humans and animals with great accuracy and speed. The autofocus system works well in both stills and video modes, and can track subjects across the frame even in low light. The video quality of the A7R Mark IV is also very good, but not as outstanding as its stills quality. It can record 4K video from the full width of the sensor or from an APS-C crop, with good detail and color rendition. However, it does not offer 60p or 50p frame rates, nor 10-bit output or log profiles. The video autofocus is reliable and smooth, but not as fast as some competitors. The Sony A7R Mark IV is a highly recommended camera for anyone who needs or wants the highest resolution possible in a full-frame mirrorless camera. It is not perfect, as it has some limitations in video features, but it is a very capable and versatile camera that delivers stunning images in most situations. Number 4 on our list is Insta360 GO3, a tiny powerhouse of an action camera that offers a lot of versatility and creativity for casual and professional users alike. It weighs only 35 grams and can be mounted almost anywhere with its magnetic design and included accessories. It can capture ultra-wide POV shots in 2.7K resolution with flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock, making it ideal for capturing smooth and stable footage in any situation. It also has a waterproof rating, so you can take it underwater up to 16 feet without worrying about damage. The GO3 comes with an action pod, which is a flip touchscreen that doubles as a remote control and a live preview. You can use it to frame your shots, access preset shooting options and settings, and snap photos with ease. The action pod also extends the battery life of the GO3, allowing you to film for up to 170 minutes. The action pod is IPX4 splashproof, so it can handle rain and snow as well. The GO3 has some smart features that make it easy to use and fun to play with. You can start recording instantly with the quick capture button, even when the camera is off. You can also use voice control to command the camera hands-free. The GO3 has an auto mode that adjusts the exposure and color automatically, as well as various filters that you can apply to your videos and photos. You can also edit your footage with the Insta360 app or Studio, which offer a range of tools and effects to enhance your creativity. The Insta360 GO3 is not without its drawbacks, though. It has no removable storage, so you are limited by the internal memory. It also has no external mic support, so the audio quality may not be very good in noisy environments. It also tends to get warm after prolonged use, which may affect the performance and battery life. The GO3 also struggles in low light conditions, producing grainy and blurry images. Overall, the Insta360 GO3 is a great action camera for anyone who wants a small, versatile, and easy-to-use device that can capture high-quality video and photos in a variety of scenarios. It has some unique features that set it apart from other action cameras, such as the action pod, the flow state stabilization, and the 360-degree horizon lock. It also has some limitations, such as the lack of removable storage, external mic support, and low light performance. However, for its size and price, the GO3 is a remarkable camera that offers a lot of potential and fun for content creators and vloggers. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. And the last one on our list, Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II, is a full-frame mirrorless camera that offers a lot of features for both photographers and videographers. It is an updated version of the Lumix S5, which was already a very capable camera. The Lumix S5 Mark II is the first Panasonic camera to use a hybrid autofocus system that combines contrast-based and phase detection methods. This results in faster and more accurate focusing, especially in low light and moving subjects. The camera also supports eye, face, head, body, and animal tracking for both stills and video. Lumix S5 Mark II can record 6K video at 24p and 4K video at up to 60p in various formats and bitrates. It also supports 10-bit internal recording, Vlog, HDR, anamorphic modes, and unlimited recording time thanks to the built-in cooling fan. The video quality is superb, with rich colors, high dynamic range, and sharp details. The Lumix has a powerful stabilization system that can compensate for up to 6.5 stops of camera shake. It works with both native and adapted lenses, and can also be combined with electronic stabilization for even smoother results. S5 Mark II has a magnesium alloy body that is weather-sealed and dust-resistant. It is relatively compact and lightweight for a full-frame camera, but still has a comfortable grip and a good balance of buttons and dials. The camera also has a 3-inch tilting touchscreen, a 2.36 million OLED viewfinder, dual SD card slots, and a full-size HDMI port. The Lumix S5 Mark II is a fantastic camera that is easy to recommend for anyone looking for a versatile and reliable tool for creating high-quality content. Lumix S5 Mark II is one of the best hybrid cameras on the market today. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.